Good morning, everyone. I hope you are fine and doing well. And today I'm here with the chapter number 2. The same chapter is going on, that is natural resources. Land is already discussed. Soil is just going to be completed, but one topic is left, that what are the methods to conserve the soil erosion. This topic is left, and water resource not started yet. But before going to the today's online class, today's discussion, I want to share something. I want to share some important information, that some chapters are deleted from your social science syllabus. From geography chapter number 7, human resource, no need to read this chapter number 7 for this session only. And from history chapter number 9 and chapter 10, these are not included for this session. And from political science chapter number 22, this is also not included for this session. That means chapter 7 from geography, chapter 9 and 10 from history, and chapter 22 from political science, these are deleted. That means no need to read for this session. So this is the important information I want to share. Now I welcome you all in today's that is online class, but it is not about discussion of any topic. It is that I want to see that what type of knowledge you have gained related to different type of topic, related to land resource, related to soil resource. That's why today some questions I have given, and you have to solve it at home, and next day I will provide you the answer. Then you will check it and you will rectify your answer. So let us begin. So first type of question I have given, fill in the blanks, and in this fill in the blanks, 4 questions are there. First question, plains and river valleys offer suitable land for dash. Here for dash means, here I want to give you the hint, that is what type of economic activity. Plains and river valleys offer suitable land for dash type of economic activity. You have to find out the answer which is one type of economic activity. This is the hint. Question number 2, dash determines color, texture. Texture means the size of the soil particle, chemical properties, mineral content, permeability. Permeability means the that is water movement. That means water movement capacity, how the water can that is penetrate through the soil layer. That is called as permeability of the soil. So here you have to write down the name of the factor which determines, we have already discussed the soil forming factors. From there you have to choose for question number 2. Question number 3, dash and dash influence rate of weathering and humus. It is also one type of factor of soil formation. Here you have to decide which two factors influence the rate of weathering and humus, formation of humus, and also weathering means breaking of rocks into smaller particles. Question number 4, dash has highest percentage of land under pasture. Pasture means it is the grassland where animals are reared, animals are eating the grasses, that is called as pasture land. Here you have to write down the percentage. Which country has the highest percentage? Here you have to find out the name of the country which has highest percentage of land for pasture land. That means for grazing, for rearing of animals, the land which is used for rearing of animals, for grazing, and this land is also called as grassland, which is covered by grasses, that is called as pasture land. Here you have to write down the name of the country. Next part, one word answer. An organic material which determines the fertility of soil is organic material related to the that is living things. That is organic material. Second number, the type of land which is densely populated. Type of land means, here I want to give you the clue, that is plain, plateau, mountain. Among these 3 you have to decide. The country which has the highest percentage of forest land. Here you have to find out the name of the country which has the highest forest cover. Question number 4, the highest percent of land under cropland. That means in which country the cultivated land percentage is highest. Name of the country here you have to write down. Question number 5, in the hilly terrains, that means in the hilly regions, the major and widely spread natural disaster in the hilly and mountainous region, which one is the important natural disaster? In another homework we did some work on this natural disaster. So this is the clue you have to find out. That means in mountainous or hilly region, which is the common and maximum time we can see in the rainy season, that type of natural disaster. Next, that is some here you have to write down that is short answers. Answer the following questions. Question number 1: which are the two main climatic factors responsible for soil formation? Already we discussed soil forming factors. They are climate present. Within climate, which two factors are responsible? This thing you have to write down with a proper sentence. Next, that is question number 2: what affect the rate of humus formation? That I have already told, humus amount is not that is same in every type of soil, in every region. So this thing you have to write down, which factor that controls the humus formation. Question number 3: what makes the soil fertile? That means if we want to make soil fertile, then what type of thing must be there, what type of thing should be mixed with the soil, then its fertility will be improved. Next, question number 4: what are the major threats to soil as a resource? Here you have to find out that which thing is the damaging the soil, which thing is decreasing the quality of the soil, and that's why soil cannot help to fulfill our needs, and that's why it will not be called as resource. That type of negative thing you have to find out, which can take the title from the soil, that is resource. Question number 5: what percentage of earth is covered by land? This thing is very easy, no need to say. Land water percentage we know, this thing we have to write down. Question number 6: what is a healthy soil? Healthy soil it is. So healthy soil means what? You have to find out which type of soil is called as healthy soil. Question number 7: how long does it take to make a foot of soil? That means if we want to get 1 foot of soil layer, this is the thickness, 1 foot of soil layer, then how many years it will take to be formed? This thing you have to write down. So these are the questions. So again, first thing, fill in the blanks. You have to write down in homework copy, fill in the blanks, answer also, and then one word answers. Here also question then answer, and then short answers. There are also 7 questions present in homework copy. You write down, you try to solve the problem. The next day I will come with the answers. At that time you will check it and you will rectify your answer. I have given you hints also with the questions, so these hints will help you to solve the problem. I have attached one PDF file with this video. You can check it from the description box, and also it is present in the school website. That is there is PDF. Click PDF, like that one link will be given there. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.